Okay, everybody. Hope you're all having a good day. It's Carfleet back with another Friday upload. So in this video, we are going to actually close the bed off. So what I mean by that is I bought something that I'm gonna run right along there so you can't see through the bed anymore. And I think that's gonna make a really big difference. And then once I finish that, my buddy Tyler's coming over. He's making his debut on the channel. We're about to go rip to Gill Road together. Yeah, so let's quickly do this and then hopefully he'll come and we'll head to Chilliwack. I also threw on these fender flares here. So I had these already from the bed build, but then I threw these on just so they don't stick out as much, right? Driving it on the road. I shouldn't have any issues with cops. And these will actually prevent a lot of that mud from spraying up on top of the roof and stuff and spraying the bed. Because I remember last time when this wheel spun, it just went everywhere. So that's a good mod just to kind of keep the mud controlled. It'll definitely still get muddy, but it's better when it's not flinging everywhere. So this is what I'm gonna use for blocking off the inside there. It's actually like this liner stuff that you'd put in the trunk or like on the floor of your car. I'm just gonna run it down and like bolt it or zap strap it in. I'm not sure yet. Guys, this thing looks 50 times better with that blocking in the middle. Holy, it looks so much better. And this costed me 15 bucks, so I didn't even use the other one. I don't think I'm gonna have to. So 15 bucks to close this off. Kind of see what I did. Just screwed them in, metal screws right into the side, a zap strap some where I couldn't get the drill. It's just like a curtain, I guess you could call it, but it closes it off perfect. But yeah, I wanna get that side done ASAP. All right guys, so I just finished both sides. I haven't done the back, but it's so clean. So much better with it closed off. I know you guys have been asking why it's open. I honestly don't know either. I was just kind of lazy. But yeah, that's all good now. Check Tyler over. Yeah, T-Hill. So this is Tyler. He just picked this up. Me and Tyler have been... Dude, how long have we been friends for? Since preschool?
Kindergarten.
Kindergarten. Yeah, we go way back. Yeah, we've been buddies for a long time. We finally picked up a rig with a sticker on the back. It's a 99 Pathfinder, pretty clean, bone stock. I think he grabbed it for 23, so not bad. So he's gonna wheel today, gonna send her. All right guys, we made it to Gill. We got Tyler back there. This is his first off-road experience. So we're back where we were. Let's see how deep it is here. Tyler's sending her. Man. Tyler doesn't mess around, eh? Okay, that sounds good. Deep. Holy Tyler's actually sending it. Easy. Tyler, he's trying to show the Carfleet squad what he's about. Oh, he just sends her through the... Okay, this is where it gets muddy here. So he's kind of got to... Okay. Little slow crawl. Okay. He's spinning. There you go. Yeah. Woo! He's burning tire. Yo, get a run at it. A little run at it here. Yeah. And then just make sure you don't hit my truck. There you go. Yeah. Woo! Nice. Is that Tyler the best driver in the league? Okay. But he's wheeling. All right. Woo! Dude, I can't tell if 4x's working again. Easy. starting in the 35s. All right, Tyler's up. Okay. This guy thinks he's unreal right now. This thing's actually been really good so far. It's almost been better than the Ranger because 4x4 actually works. This was a pretty big rut. Oh, he just claps down. That was sick. Oh, buddy's on a new adventure here. Gotta keep up to this guy. There. This is the big boy. Down there. Mint. Delicio. You got her. Tyler's getting used to this side of the wheel and oh, easy. Easy. Okay guys, I didn't really see what was happening and I'm on the freaking ground. What do you mean? Yo, we're good, bro. Yo, come here. Come grab the... Dude, we're good. Yo, trust me. Trust me. Grab the phone. Dude, watch. Okay? Check this out. What do you mean? What's going on here? Hold on for a minute. Why are you... Dude, what am I supposed to do with it? I'm drinking right now. Yo, so what's the situation here? This wheel's off the ground?
About a foot.
And what about the camera?
It's in a giant rut.
Really? Oh, I didn't know there was a rut there.
A giant one. It's literally the whole thing's pretty much resting on that wheel.
Oh, okay, well, watch that. You ready? Mint. It's about to bomb. Dude, that was deep. Woo. Nice. So as you can see by that last clip, we actually crossed to where we stopped last time. The water's gone down a really crazy amount. So all these spots are pretty dry and stuff. So we're just kind of ripping this forest road type thing. Not much going on other than this road. A few spots are there for like quads and stuff. It's a bit too tight for the Ranger here, but it's getting some cabbage here, boys. Woo! Spin the tire. Oh, all right. So we're gonna go back through that river. Hopefully, I saw a few spots over there that were pretty killer by the looks of it. So, and yeah, guys, that one clip, oh my gosh, I just sent it, and my whole back wheel was off the ground. I had no clue what happened. Everyone was looking at me. I was like, "What's going on?" Like I didn't know. The right side of my Ranger was leaning against the dirt. Like it was almost flipped over. It was nuts. Coming back from that island with the forest road wasn't crazy, but Tyler's got some off-road to do here. Good. Okay. And this is where it's actually relatively deep. So let's see how deep we get here. He's coming. Dude. Wow. That was nuts. Child's play, buddy.
way. He's gonna go.
All I can say on that one is thank God for the snorkel. Oh my gosh, guys. We were way too deep there. Whew. Right over the hood, guys. Wow. Easy. Yo, go through the middle where I went. Guy's hooning right now. You! That's what I'm saying, dude. Your truck's more capable than you think. So off camera, I thought this was just gonna be as easy as the other side. This one, if you look where the line was, literally that deep, and I couldn't get any grip. Thankfully, I put it in reverse and I reversed it out, but barely. And I actually broke my trailer fender here, cracked her there, but I can just re-weld that. So I just kind of put it all back together. You can see that's bent. This is unbolted. These were unbolted. I bolted them back on, but kind of took a beating there, but everything else was fine. But yeah, that was scary. Like, I was worried there for a sec. And like, I had freaking water flood in this place. That was worse than the other one because there was water in my doors this time. So, like, look at that puddle over here. That one was, yeah, jeez. It doesn't look that bad. That's the thing, right? It looks like every other pit, but that one was, thankfully, we got grip in reverse, so. You up?
Sender.
Everybody, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And we're almost at 700, guys. That's actually crazy, and that's awesome. Thank you guys for your support. Make sure if you haven't subscribed yet, you hit the sub button. The boys are rolling these days. We're pushing out a lot of off-road stuff, which is good. I love off-roading. I love making videos about it. It's so much fun. So yeah, let's talk about how the Ranger did. The Ranger did unreal, as you guys saw. We're gonna shut the back still. And we're also going to take the carpets out of the inside because they're moldy and they're gross now from all the mud. So I'm just gonna rip the carpets out and put like drain holes and stuff, and it's gonna be ready to go. So yeah, these were really good. If you guys watched, like when I was spinning in the water, this covered a lot of the mud from flinging up to the roof. Like there's not much up there. It's still soaked, but not as bad. If you look over here, I actually did crack this headlight. I ran into a tree at one point, but other than that, mint. Yeah, this thing's been super loyal, guys. I actually love this truck so much. Like this build, it is so capable. It's just been so good. And the fact that like I built it, it's crazy. Like I didn't think I could make something this cool. Not to brag or anything, but like it is pretty cool. I didn't build it to sit here. I definitely built it to wheel. So whenever I get the chance, we're gonna try and take her out. I'm hoping to take this guy off-roading. It just needs brakes and shocks right now. When you brake, you just lean forward and backwards. It's not good. So we need shocks. We're gonna get some Bilsteins, I think. And then I still need to mess with my rear brakes. Like they're still squeaking like crazy. You can see all like the brake dust, like it's nuts. So I gotta figure that out. The shoes there's no pad on them on the inside. I have the new rotors in the garage, and I have new pads on the truck right now because I need it. Like they were really bad, so I just put new pads on, and it's still squeaking and stuff. So I have to get brake shoes and then put the rotors on, and the whole back will be mint again. So, and like you can tell, like the front's sitting a bit low. I think it's the shocks aren't as strong anymore, so it doesn't look level, because it is level. When you get the right ride height, this would sit up a bit more. But yeah, I mean, they're both loyal rigs, no complaints. Anyways, guys, we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.